Today I get for you my new Philips Hue Play. It's the lights you put behind the screen. So I'm gonna show it to you, and then I show you how I install it, and I'm gonna show you on how I install my old lights in my bedroom and how I control it. All this in just a second. See you soon. This is two lights set, and I have another one right here, and I'm going to install it. Then I have this Google Home to install and Home Mini, but this I do later today. But for now I'm going to install this, and then I'm going to show you how it works. Stay tuned. So here is my equipment for the old Philips Hue lights, and here is the new lights that I put. And I put a Philips Hue Play, which means I put one on the top, two on the side, on the back. So this is how it looks like. It's much stronger than the one that I had before, which I have only two lights. On this one light, and also there one light. But now I put three Philips Hue Play on the back of the screen. I had a little problem because the screen has to go back to the end of the table, but then the light gets smaller and smaller, so I have to have and this is a big screen, 32 inch, so this is a little forward with the screen, so I have to sit a little backwards. So this is how I fix my setup here. I have my Boss, and I have my Razer keyboard, Razer mouse, Stream Deck. So now I'm going to show you where I put my lights in my bedroom, the two lights that I had. So I'm going to show you that in a second, how is my setup there. I'll be back. So these are the lights in my bedroom. It contains three lights sitting inside this glass dome, or however you want to call it. And my switch was right here. Now I take off my switch. I had a smart switch before that I can turn on and off with the sound and connect to the internet. I took it off because I need to be lights on all the time, so I can turn off and on the lights with the application or with the new switch that I put right here. This is a dimmer for the Philips Hue lights, and this is of course the magnet. You can take it off and take it wherever you want. So I take off my smart switch from the wall, connect the cable all the time, so it have electricity in a line all the time, and I use this to turn on and off the light. As you can see here, if I take it off, and I'm going to click one time, another time, 3, 4, 5. You can fix the button however you want, so you can turn it off. And also I can use my Google Home Mini to turn on and off the lights, which I have here. I installed yesterday Google Home Mini. Hey Google, bedroom lights on.
Okay, performing action.
Hey Google, bedroom lights off.
Okay, performing action.
And also, of course, I can connect it to Google Assistant and give it more actions to change scene with the names and turn on and off. This is what I've done so far, but I can do a lot more, and I will do a lot more. This is my setup for my Philips lights. We put it in place, turn off the light. Now we go up again, and I'm going to show you a few more things that I've done with my Philips lights on my studio. So far I have my Stream Deck set up if I click on Philips Hue lights, PC number 1, and then I can change the scene. I can change it like this: edit video, Adobe Premiere, purple color. I can dim the light. I can dim it even more. So this is very nice. This is what I've done with that. And I also connect my washing machine. So once it's finished, because I have a smart washing machine, so once it's finished the job, it's blinking red right here. I also fix it once it's dropped below 5 degrees, it's get blue. And also when it starts to snow, it's turned blue. So you can change which color you want to be, either the side colors or the top colors. And of course you can also sync the light with the movies that you watch. So you can have lots of lights around the screen when you watch a movie. So this is very nice. Tested yesterday. Just download the Philips Hue Sync and follow the instruction. But I have to do yesterday everything from scratch. I go in and delete all my lights and fix it, so it takes a few hours to fix it. But now it's all fixed and clean, and the setup is nice. Yes, that's it for today. Just want to show you my new Philips Hue Play lights. I hope you enjoyed this video. Take care, be creative, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.